You're amazing.
Here we go on the front row of Ravine Flyer II. Even better, no queue. Oh, it rhymes. Ravine Flyer II with no queue. I remember loving it even more down in the back seat last time, so we'll have a go on the back later on. But I thought I'd come on the front because we can use our chest-mounted GoPro film on ride here. All the flags on the lift here, I love it. Wow, and there's the lake view. And yeah, Cedar Point somewhere down there. I don't think you can see from here though. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo! It's wild! Absolutely wild, this thing! Woo! Coaster is absolutely incredible. Wow, I just love how it uses the terrain to its advantage. And then you go over the road as well through that bridge and then back across again. It is so good. The pace on there is just incredible. Yeah, it's a beautiful ride. It runs so good as well. Gravity Group wooden coaster, but of course it's got the better trains on here. It doesn't have the horrible timber liners, and that's why it rides so good.